This is his land. Oh, okay.
U.S. forces teamed up with Afghan government officials and Afghan National Army members to visit a small village located high in the mountains of Gardez in Paktiya Province.
We just landed on the in the area of Tandan Gardez. This is the village that we just came in, and right now we're pulling security and starting to talk to the local villagers and the mullahs.
And that is why we're here today, Kelly Musher, to talk with you, with our Jaroa partners, about the support that we can bring to this village. This is one of the villages that we've been very concerned about and has come to us in regards to working with the Jaroa for support and help for the future, because they don't have a lot here in this village.
This is what the coin concept is all about, helping those who need it most.
What we have here is we got some shovels that we're going to be passing out. We also got some backpacks, and also we got some little food to help make their life a little easier around here.
It's not Americans passing out equipment or school bags. It's all Afghan officials doing the work.
Instead of your PRTs and ADTs conducting and running the key leader engagements, you got the Jaroa official out there, and he actually took charge and ran the key leader engagement.
That's who these communities need to trust, because we are not always going to be here, but the Jaroa and the ANA are, and they need to rely on them, and they need to trust them.
This is a small step towards building trust and a better future for all Afghans. Reporting from Forward Operating Base Lightning, Afghanistan, I'm Staff Sergeant Yoshi Shinzato.